A zombie apocalypse just broke out, and you find yourself standing in a chemistry lab. You've got a whole periodic table of options, but not every element is going to save your life. Some are going to get you killed faster than the zombies will. Top 10 elements to survive a zombie apocalypse. Let's go. Number 10, gold. Yes, it's valuable. But gold is soft, heavy, and useless in a fight. You're just carrying a paperweight, while something with no pulse is sprinting at your face. Gold does nothing on day one. Number 10, and it's not close. Number 9, sulfur. The good news. Combine it with charcoal and potassium nitrate, and you've got gunpowder. Congratulations. You just unlocked a crafting recipe. The bad news, making gunpowder in a panic while zombies are outside is one of the worst ideas you could have. Sulfur has potential, but you'd better know what you're doing. Number 8, chlorine. At high concentrations, it's a lethal gas. Armies used it in World War I, and it was devastating. Scientifically, you have a weapon. Practically, you have a nightmare. You need specialist equipment you almost certainly don't have. You'd essentially be pulling the pin on a grenade and just standing there. Great idea. Terrible plan. Number 7, silicon. Communications go down in an apocalypse. Navigation fails. Silicon lets you repair circuits and build radio equipment. Information is survival. But raw silicon without processing facilities is just rocks. If you're not an engineer, you're just holding rocks. But if you are genuinely useful. Number 7, engineers only. Number 6, phosphorus. White phosphorus ignites on contact with air and burns at 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Fire is your most reliable tool, deterrent, barrier, and final solution all in one. The problem? White phosphorus is one of the most dangerous substances on Earth. It has to stay submerged in water. If you mess that up, you're not fighting zombies anymore. You're on fire. High ceiling, equally high floor. Number 5, carbon. In graphene form, it's the strongest material ever discovered. Stronger than steel at a fraction of the weight. In diamond form, it's the hardest natural material on Earth. Carbon fiber is used in body armor and aerospace. If you could fabricate graphene, you'd have the best armor available. The realistic problem is you can't. Raw carbon won't stop zombie teeth. Carbon's rank reflects its theoretical ceiling, not its practical reality. Incredible in theory. Coal in practice. Number 4, sodium. Hear me out. Sodium metal explodes on contact with water. In a zombie horde scenario with any rain, river, or wet floor, sodium becomes a terrifying improvised weapon. Beyond that, sodium compounds are critical for food preservation, water purification, and wound disinfection. Sodium earns its place as both offensive tool and long-term survival resource. Just don't get it near water you didn't plan to explode. Number 3, magnesium. It burns at over 3,000 degrees Celsius with a blinding white light that is genuinely difficult to extinguish. Water makes it worse. Sand doesn't work. CO2 doesn't work. You essentially have to let it burn out. Now imagine setting that off in a crowd of zombies. The light alone would disorient them. The heat is catastrophic. It's also a welding torch, a flare signal visible from enormous distances. Your field weapon, rescue signal, and last resort in one. Number 2, iron. Iron is the reason civilization existed for thousands of years. Swords, shields, armor, fortifications. In an apocalypse, the ability to forge iron means you can manufacture weapons, reinforce barriers, build traps, repair vehicles. Iron is everywhere. In pipes, beams, cars. If you can work with it, you have a manufacturing capability no one else can match. The only reason it's not number 1, it requires serious knowledge and infrastructure. But as a long-term resource, nothing comes close. Yeah, oxygen. It's the thing you need every 3 minutes or you're done. But compressed oxygen cylinders are incredibly useful. Oxyacetylene torches let you breach barriers, cut vehicles, and weld fortifications shut. Oxygen enrichment keeps patients alive. Controlled deprivation can repel living organisms. It keeps you alive, gives you fire, gives you the ability to cut and build, and in the right circumstances, it gives you a weapon. That's why it's number 1. Breathe easy. For now, that's your top 10. The survivors aren't the ones who made the coolest choices. They're the ones who made the smartest ones. If you want us to make more of these videos, let us know in the comments and subscribe to Monkey Lab. See you in the next one.